And to a much hotter Las Vegas, I'm Chloe Coast with a look at your activity forecast. If you're lucky enough to have the evening off, well, it's going to be a nice night for grilling, but gosh, you're going to have to turn this thing on much. Mid to upper 90s for your temperatures this evening, winds under 10 miles per hour. It's important as we see our temperatures climb over the next few days to remind people to walk your pets early in the morning. During the daytime, they could burn their paws.
We have some traffic issues to talk about, Chloe, but let's talk about the weather first. No issues there.
No issues there, but the road's a different story. Plenty of sunshine yesterday. We're going to take yesterday's weather and basically do a repeat today, but temperatures in the afternoon will be warmer. Watching the numbers and we're watching the turkeys run.
Right.
I have a graphic for it. I'm really excited about it. I feel like it kind of goes hand in hand as we're getting ready for the holiday, but also, I mean, these guys quick to run as Thanksgiving is right around the corner, running very fast in this imagery right here, almost as fast as the clouds moved out of our area today.
Yeah. Really a nice night to go out to enjoy, right?
Absolutely. I even have the watch party forecast. So for those watching the game on the ice, if you're spending some time outdoors, I don't know, maybe you drag the TV outside, mid-90s temperatures, maybe a few clouds, but mostly sun for tomorrow.
Well, hump day, we're moving closer to the weekend.
We're halfway there.
Yeah.
And some extra digits to boot this week, huh?
I know, it's so rude. It's we're just casually cooking outside, and it's not that great. I am excited to eventually bring people the back to school forecast. That's an exciting graphic. We've got a bus that rolls around. Got a few other things. We've had plenty of time to make more graphics in the Weather Center, but first, this is the one I'm talking about a lot today.
And Chloe Coast standing by on this first day of winter.
I know. I feel like with the name Weather Authority, we should all have capes.
We really should.
I like that.
Yeah, and tights, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure Kevin would be down. Quite a lot to show off here, Kevin, including this little guy, the greatest of all time. He's a goat. And he says, don't be bad for Christmas. We had a lizard sighting. We have a Santa on a horse sighting right behind me. I promise you, every few seconds I turn the corner and I see somebody different. For example, I never thought I'd find a pirate here, but here we are. It's Jack Sparrow, and you're with Anna. This is a surprise tonight. There's a lot of great characters. What brings you out here tonight?
Well, you can't say no to St. Jude. Such a great environment, such a great organization.
As we eye the holiday, kind of uncomfortable weather, but Santa will make it here. Christmas Eve forecast in the upper 50s and a delightful day ahead, even though the stormy weather will last. Think of it as the gift of free valley rain on Christmas Day. And of course, we're tracking that mountain snow not only on Christmas Day, but more rain chances in the forecast.
That's why we're so glad when we have a real monsoon season, because we need it.
It's a thrilling thing to talk about. We're actually getting rain. Last summer was a record-breaking dry season.
Right, we didn't get anything.
And now we're over it.
Yeah.
We've got a new thing to talk about, and actually we've got thunderstorms popping up just north of the Las Vegas Valley as we speak. So let's go straight to the Doppler radar, and you can actually see that accompanied with a few lightning strikes in the Sheep Range.
Chloe Coast joins us this morning. Hey, Chloe.
Hey guys, no complaints weather-wise, and we only have one little traffic snarl to talk about, but first we'll start with the good news, and then we'll get to the okay news. And we are your Weather Authority with an activity forecast that looks spectacular tonight. If you want to go outdoor shopping, maybe at downtown Summerlin, temperatures will be flirting with the triple digits around 6 o'clock. Mostly sunny skies and just about picture perfect weather for the Lights game at 7:30 in downtown Las Vegas. Do you have a pup to walk? Ooh. Here's your 8 a.m. forecast. Temperatures flirting with the 90s under partly cloudy skies. So let's take you back about a year. This is what conditions looked like back in August 2020, and what a difference a year makes. Look at this, a snapshot in what conditions look like right now. Extreme and exceptional drought for a good portion of the western United States. That includes us here in Clark County. Now, it's important to note that our water source from Lake Mead, all of that precipitation comes from the rain that falls just west of the Rockies. So we're keeping a very close eye on that snowpack. But at least we've got the numbers moving in the right direction slowly. Speaking of direction, if you're heading northbound on the 15, expect a traffic snarl. We've got 2 vehicles involved in an accident. It looks like we're in the cleanup stages right now, but 2 of the left lanes were blocked. There is a backup all the way to the Spaghetti Bowl. So if you need to get off the road early, if you're heading in this direction,